Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching the Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 4 of e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, before we start, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel till now, so you need to subscribe my YouTube channel, just because when I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct notification into your inbox. So first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel. So now let's get started. First of all, what we are going to do from here, we are going to create the admin panel header section in this tutorial. So how can we do that? So simply just open your Dreamweaver. This is a Dreamweaver 2018. This is a new version of Dreamweaver. So first of all, press Ctrl+N for the new file and select the PHP from here and click on create. Okay, so here is our section available. From here, give the one tab. Also from here. Okay, so now what we are going to do, just simply we create a one folder inside our e-learning and admin panel. Here we create one folder with the name CSS and another folder with the name include files. Okay, so now we are going to save this file with the Ctrl+S, and we are going to save this file inside our e-learning admin panel folder. Okay, and we are going to give the name with the index.php and save this one. Okay, so now we need another file from here. First of all, we need to change this name, admin home. Okay, so now what we are going to do, let's first of all see the output of this page. Going to the YouTube e-learning admin. Okay, so just look at this now. Now we have this page, and just look at here, the title is coming admin home. Okay, so now first of all we are going to create one CSS file for this one. So Ctrl+N and select the CSS. Okay, Ctrl+S to save this file with the style.css, and we are going to save this file inside our CSS folder in our admin panel, admin folder. Okay, so now we need to attach that style sheet into our main index page. So link relationship is the style sheet, and a hyperlink reference will be css/style.css. okay, just because we save this file inside our CSS folder, just look at here, here is our file. So we need to link that one into our index.php. okay, so now we are going to press Ctrl+N and create another PHP file from here. Just look at here, you select the PHP and create. Okay, so now we doesn't need this one. Now simply we are going to create one div with the ID equal to header. Close this div from here, Ctrl+N to save this file and give the name like header.php, and we are going to save this file inside our inc folder. Save this one. Now we need to include that file into our index.php. So how can we do that? We simply use the PHP include function from here. Just look at here, include. So this is the PHP function which is including files. So our file inside our inc folder /header.php. okay, so now we are going to design that header section from here. So first of all, star, margin 0, padding 0, and set the font family will be We set the fonts family. Let's say directly Verdana. Okay, so now our font family will be set from here. So now we are going to target the header ID. So this is our header section, and we give the ID equal to header, this div. So we need to target that div with the header. Inside CSS you need to define ID with the hashtag. So just look at here, width will be 100%, height will be 60 pixel, and its background will be has 3F5267. Okay, now let's check the refresh. Just look at here. Now we have a header section available here. So now we are going to again into header section and give the one div with the ID equal to logo, div close. As same way we are going to create two more divs from here, and give the ID equal to this one will be a title tag, and this one will be link. Okay, so now we are going to design that one with the h2 tag and give the name inside our, oh sorry, not like that, href equal to index.php, and here Azaz ELearning. Okay, so just look at here, we are going to trying to create a output like this one. So just look at here, and the second one will be the admin panel. So we are simply going to copy this one from here, paste it that one from here inside h2 tag from here, or not like that, copy, paste it. Okay, and the third one we also need here with the h, not the h2. Simply we are going to create href has. Okay, let's take it into the h3 tag. Control X, paste it from here and give the name like logout. Okay, so now let's check the output. So just look at here, this output is coming from here. So we need to first of all inside line. So how can we do that? So simply we are going to target inside header. We have a div, then it's display inline. Refresh that, nothing is going to happen here. So now remove this one from here, target the logo div with the width 20%, height is same our header height 60 pixel, and its float will be left. Okay, copy this one and paste it that one 2 times 1 and 2. Okay, this one for the title and this one for the link. Okay, so title width is 60% and this width will be 20%. So just look at here, we have a total width 100%. So 20 plus 60 is equal to 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Okay, so let's check it from here. So just look at this now. Now it's looking not very good, so we need to also design that one from here. So how can we design this? First of all, we need to design the logo. You can put the logo from here also into our logo div, but for now I will only set the name from here. Okay, so logo have some h2 tag, then its text align will be center, and its line height, first of all refresh and check what happened. So just look at here, this is the center now, but we need to center also from bottom or top. Okay, so how can you do that? So simply here we are going to use the line height property, and we give the line height as same as our header height, so it will be center now from the top and bottom. So just look at here. Now we need to remove this a tag color and text decoration. So how can we do that? So simply inside has logo h2 and then a tag, so its text decoration will be none, and its color will be has 74889E. Okay, also we give the text shadow 5 pixel 5 pixel 5 pixel has 000, which means black color shadow. Okay, so just look at this now. I think 5 pixel is too much, so we need to decrease some shadow from here with the 3 pixel 3 pixel 3 pixel. Okay, refresh that one now. So just look at this now. I think very good, very nice. So we need to now center this one. So how can you do that? So simply come back from here and give the title, have some h2 tag, so its color will be has FFF, and its text align will be center, and also we use a text shadow from here with the Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Okay, refresh that one. So just look at this now. Also we need to line height property from here. So line height as same as our header height. So our header height is 60 pixel. Refresh that one. So just look at this now. Now we need to work with the logout. Okay, so just come back again here. Inside link have some h2 tag, then its text align will be center, its color not a color from here. Okay, let's target the link h2 a tag, so it will be text decoration will be none, color will be has FFF. Refresh that one, not working. Okay, we use the h3 tag from here and we target h2 tag. Okay, so h3 tag. Okay, now we need to refresh that one. So just look at this now. Now we also need the line height property from here. Line height 60 pixel. Refresh that one. Just look at here. Now on hover we need to set the background, so has link h3, someone hover on it, so its background will be has 7498 74889E. Okay, refresh that one. Okay, so just look at this now. You can see that, and let's say the I think I just look at here. When we hover on the text, that time it will be linked, otherwise it not will be linked. So we need to make the link on the all sides. So how can we do that? So simply we are going to use display block property inside our a tag. Okay, so now let's refresh and just look at this now. Now it's a link, totally it's a link. So I think guys this is enough for today. In next tutorial we are going to create this left side section. Just look at here. So I think guys this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, just because when I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct notification of my videos into your inbox. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Stay connected with me. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.